can
So,
understand.
pinasakay po ako dito sa pinakamalaking camel kasi mabigat po ako.
Your father is here
Yeah, he's Arabic.
Arabic. It's a good mix, no? German and Arabic.
Yeah, I mean, I like it.
Yeah, I think it's the trend right now, no? People from different countries. You have visited Asia?
Oh no, I haven't been to Asia.
Uh,
Come
Can-
visit.
can I get your name? What's your name? Yeah, Mason. She's half Arabic and German. We want to visit probably next year.
Have you been already?
We've been to
We've been to Austria and Hungary
Nice, yeah.
and Czech.
we had an East European tour early this year.
We went to the Balkans and then we
Oh, cool,
left.
beautiful.
We left the group and then we went
Yeah.
to the 3 countries. We're supposed to go to Berlin. Also, it's just very near.
Oh, Berlin is so cool. We're from Berlin.
We want to go to a place in Germany where there was a statue of our national hero,
Oh yeah?
Jose Rizal. It's a town near France.
Uh-huh.
Germany is bordering with France, right?
Yep, yep.
So there's a statue of him there when he was writing some books against the Spaniards, no? Because we've been under Spain for 300 years. So how's Jordan so far? How's Amman
Oh, I love
so
it.
far?
I love the city. I love the beautiful country.
It's a nice place, right?
Yeah, very.
And the people are very, very kind.
Yeah, very. Also, I feel like it's an Arabic country that you as a woman feel very safe in.
Yes, yes, agree. I actually have misgivings when I arrive, but then they're very friendly. It's in Dubai,
Yeah.
and no, not Dubai, but in some of the Arabic countries, they're quite conservative.
Yeah, very.
Okay, very conservative.
But here it's quite open, no? Right? Huh? We're riding camels here.
Shadows are so nice.
Amay, tingin.
Hi.
How's your experience so far?
Kabayan. It's back bending. How was getting up the camel?
Okay lang naman so far.
I saw
No,
you like
I'm just.
doing like that.
They're very gentle animals, right? No, they don't
I guess they bite.
bite or kick. No,
Yeah.
no,
why
just
they're-
like horses that it's dangerous to.
That's why their mouths are like wrapped.
But we read yesterday also that they're one of the best